Before cooking today, I'm doing a little background reminiscing. I grew up in Bay City, Michigan, a small town nestled along Lake Huron-Saginaw Bay, and my family lived in a predominantly Polish neighborhood known as the South End. This part of town had Catholic schools, churches, family-owned butcher shops, and what seemed to be a bar or tavern on every other corner. Sunday's routine was church, followed by listening to Polish music on the radio, while we cooked up some Polish recipe for dinner. Saturday's routines were steeped in tradition as well. We did chores, sometimes a little shopping, and always an errand or two, and that meant stopping by one of the bars for a quick shot of beer. And one of our favorite snacks, pickled ring bologna. I grew up in and around the meat business in my teens. I worked at Al's Market, a neighborhood butcher shop, then for a while at our town's meat packing plant known as Farmer Pete's. One of my jobs there was making pickled bologna for the local bars. And over 50 years later, I'm still making that pickled bologna treat for family and friends. It's a simple recipe consisting of ring bologna cut into 1.5-inch pieces, and then 50% white vinegar and 50% water, and pickling spice, about 2 tablespoons per quart. Now, here's the sad part. Once you put it together, you have to refrigerate it for 3 to 4 weeks, allowing the bologna to absorb the pickling mixture. But the wait is worth it. When it's ready, enjoy it on a cracker with a side of beer, preferably a shell of beer. Wait, there's more. In recent years, we added a delicious pickled ring bologna sandwich to the menu, and it goes like this.
I met this girl named Mary Jo at the polka hop. We danced all night, no end in sight, finally had to stop. I took her to the local tavern.
When it's put together, lightly smash it and then eat and enjoy. An accompanying beer is not mandatory, but it is tradition. So that's it. Please leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you know someone who likes bologna, please share. Until next time, dzięki, dziękuję, na zdrowie.